Hello, everyone. I'm Coach David of M1Eleven Athletics. Today, we're going to be talking about the tier system I designed. It's a three-tier system. The first tier is for underprivileged fighters. Um, the second tier is for the standard rate for all fighters and coaching for SNC. The third tier is for businesses, gyms, and even your coach, if he wants to. It lets the whole class of theirs or that gym specifically to pay for S&C for every student. And what they can do is just add to their price for it if they want to, or they just could have it out. Let's get to it. What you get with every tier is it's semi-private training, so it's gonna be you and another person, and this is probably gonna be up to 3 in the future, but right now it's at 2. It's 3 sessions per week, maybe some could be added later, but at the moment it's 3. It's fully customized programming built for combat transfer, power, rotation, conditioning, agility, and injury prevention. The first tier is the scholarship tier, is for dedicated adult amateur fighters who are facing financial hardship. It needs to be approved by application. Um, Again, your coach or gym or business, whatever. You need a referral from them that is within the application that you have to fill out for it, and also your competition history. There are limited spots. Uh, the purpose of it is to remove the barrier. Removes money as the barrier for serious amateur fighters, so they can rise and become pros. The second tier is the market price for each tier. Let me go back to the other one. It's $50 a month for them for the scholarship tier, but if you sub to Twitch on our channel, it's 42.50. On the second tier, it's $200 a month. 170 on Twitch subs. It's for committed fighters or serious athletes. It's fully individualized, fight specific, and SNC. But please tell me who you're fighting against. I do not want to add two competitors with each other because I do not want y'all fighting in the place that we're training at. Which, again, we could do this remote or online because I do rent out gym spaces for y'all that y'all don't need to pay. Always try to get one that doesn't require any memberships because you're already paying for a lot. So just try and take some burden off of y'all. The third tier is sponsor a fighter tier. It's $400 a month. Again, this is for businesses, gyms, or the coach themselves can pay for it. It's 340 for Twitch subs. It covers your entire location. It lets your fighters get access to SNC. It builds stronger athletes, stronger gym culture. Multiple locations require a separate fee. Again, you could email me for for more information on that at david at m111.com. For those who have more locations, scaling gyms can reach out for custom options. What you get with all the tiers is you could save 20% on annual payments. Twitch subscriptions, I'm gonna get the discount. Every program is personalized and combat focused. And this is about giving under resource amateurs a shot, giving serious fighters structure to win, helping gyms build stronger communities. It's always athletes first here at M1Eleven Athletics and performance always. So, which tier fits you? Scholarship, if money is the wall. Standard, if you're ready to level up. Sponsor, if you want to make an impact with your students. Head to M111.com. Apply, sign up, and get to work. Thank you, and God bless.